Alright, so let's install my new RPM tube. You saw my last video with the razor. I blew the other one apart. So this one shouldn't come apart. Hopefully no water or anything got in my intake. I put bags over it, so. Oh damn, that whole thing's full of water. Let me empty the water out. Alright, so I did cover these hopefully good enough on the turbo side and the intake side where nothing got in here, I hope. But I do have to put my blow off valve on my new intake tube. Intake, charge tube, boost tube, whatever you want to call it. Let's see where my other one is. Here's the old one. Now, there's the blow off valve. Well, if you recall, this is the old one. About to rain out here again, so I'm trying to knock this out. Alright, so basically your new one versus your old one. You can't really break the new one, it's all silicone. So that's it. This is where it broke on mine. I guess mine has a lot of time on it, a lot of hard time, I guess you could say, with racing and stuff. This might be slightly bigger. It's definitely more uniform as far as like this is a little bit bigger on this one, but it necks down here to pretty small, and then this one keeps a more consistent size all the way through. So let's switch this stuff over. Alright, let's take off this stuff on the old one. Looks like that's going to be a 7 on the other side. This is basically just a cap right here. Mine probably needs cleaned. It's moving pretty good. So, should go about like that. My hose is hopefully still in there somewhere. Let's get this tightened up. Come off like it used to on my other one I'm racing. Yeah, definitely a size difference on the smaller part here. That looks a lot smaller. This one actually has same size all the way through pretty much. Let's go back up here. Hopefully no water got in my intake and stuff. I did cover it and bag it. So if it did, I guess I'll have a new engine. Alright, we should be good. I think you can use that cap that I had that showed taken out. Is basically putting it in there. It's the same size and whatnot. It'll run through all of this. I have to find my hose that goes here. That's old, obviously. I need to. It's probably in the back of the truck. I'll go grab it here in a second. All this will fit in here, just like this. You can see that orientation. Your line will come off here. Obviously run to where mine is broke at. Your mass airflow sensor or map sensor or whatever. Let me put the camera down, but run it under here. Run it under this harness. That side can go in under that, and then this side under here, but I'm going to put the camera down. I don't know where that cat came from. It's moved into Robert's house. Alright, so you see it's on here. Orientate your clamps where you can get to them. Run that hose off of that. You can see. Just slide that in there. You can do all this without taking that heat shield part off. Then you can get to, I don't know if I can show you. Yeah, you can see it. You can get to the other one this way without having to take anything off. Slide it all in and get that tightened up. Alright, to get your stock sensor out, it's actually a Torx. So take your, so this T25. It's not going to be super tight. Move this. You won't be reusing the Torx. Stock sensors held in with a little O-ring, or sealed with the O-ring, I should say. Take the sensor. Here's your sensor. Focus, and it will go into here. Give it a little nudge there. Comes with it. You already have a new bolt with your intake tube. Your new RPM one. It's gonna be an 8 for that. Snug that up a little, nothing crazy. You want to hold it while you twist it, just so you don't twist it inside of here. It's that crazy cat. Take your plug. Well, the plug is a little more difficult to get in there than you would think it is. Put the little cover on. I gotta go find you'll have your one here. A little difficult one-handed. Slide that end on. You'll have this end. And there she is, all done. Got your sensor plugged up. Your vacuum hose. Blow valve's already on. This is the aftermarket, obviously. And then that front part, easy to get to, like I showed. And here it all is. This one won't bust apart like the other one.